We live for light. For over 55 years, MB-Microtec has pioneered self-powered illumination. Trigalight protects and endures where conventional light fails, engineered for safety and trusted worldwide. In our field, innovation demands microscopic precision. From concept to creation, we engineer proprietary machines and processes to meet uncompromising standards. Scientific and technical experts from 17 nations unite under Swiss excellence, turning our vision into reality. Our unique self-developed recycling facility ensures closed-loop efficiency, minimizing waste at every step. Sustainability runs through our entire supply chain, infrastructure, and manufacturing, embedded in an ISO-certified process that ensures every innovation leaves a positive imprint on the world. As the global leader, we deliver more than products. We create new business fields, applications, and microsystems shaped by today's know-how. When time is essential, our watch brand Tracer brings Trigalight technology to professionals and adventurers who rely on uncompromising visibility in the world's toughest environments. As a family-owned company, we blend mastery with momentum. MB-Microtec, rooted in tradition, driven by the future.